Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss pop and push methods of an array in JavaScript. So guys, you can easily understand what is pop. Pop is nothing but to remove an element. Push is nothing but to push an element. Right? So without any further ado, let us start the video. So now, as you can see here, pop and push.js have already created the file. So let me create a simple array. So I'll put var a equal to, so I'll write capital A and capital B and one more element I'll add capital C. So this is an array with 3 elements. What if I put, let me just print it. If I put console.log of small a, let me add an enter here at console.log. So let me execute this. So note pop and push dot js. So if I execute this, you can easily get the array A, B and C. Now we got the result. So what if I put a.pop, a.pop? So what it should do, so technically it should remove the C element and only it should print A and B. So if I put console.log of A, now what will happen? If I put clear screen here, if I execute it again, I should get ABC and AB. So now here you can see it has now popped one value. So now, so if I put a dot push, you can give push as an empty. If you give push as an empty also, it's not doesn't matter. It will not include, it will not push anything. So it will push a basically empty one. So if I put console.log of a, if I clear the screen here, so if I put node pop and push.js, so AB will be entered twice because you have not pushed here. So now, what if I give a dot push of D, right? So we are pushing something. So note guys, if you are popping also, it will pop from here. If you are pushing the element also, it will push here, not here in this beginning. It will push, pop and push at the end. So let me console.log of A now. So let me execute it. So let me put Control X. Now console.log of A. Let me clear the screen. Let me put node pop and push.js. Now it should be ABC was initial element. Then we popped one element at the last. Then we try to push null, nothing entered. So now we have pushed D. So ABD is the result. I will also attach a card where I was explaining merge arrays and also object cloning. I'll add both the cards. You can see in the right side top right hand corner of the video. First I'll start with object cloning. After that I'll put merge arrays. You can see the both if you want more concepts of JavaScript. So now, if you like the video, if you find this more informative, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.